Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing here? I made a video here. I think the sound was a little messed up on it, guys. Sorry for that. I'm going to go through this real quick here again. Here's our cues coming back inside. All right, so 604.73 to try to get the cues back up out of the day. All right, we're stuck inside there. So we're either going to get this dead cat bounce, or we're gonna move up exponentially. So things I said is that there's probably a lot of people that are looking at for some selling here on this pop this morning. Okay, we'll see. We're either going to get this dead cat bounce, or we're going to maybe there's something of turnaround. I don't see that happening right now, but it's a Friday coming in as well. But I think you'll see a little bit to the upside. I think you're going to see some sellers show up on this one. All right, and it's a Friday as well, so there's a lot to untap here. So I'm going to go through as quick as I can. All right, so Q's 604.93. Trading at 600 spot 98. We're handily inside day. Okay, same thing with the SPY. I still got the bogus daily, and it's annoying as crap, but there's nothing you can do about that. So yesterday's highs, I just go back and I can pull up the hour, and I know that yesterday's highs were 683.69. All right, that's trading at 681 and change. All right, this is our number for our halfway point from where we started from the beginning of the month, which is only a week. All right, so there's your SPY inside day. Okay, same thing with the diamonds. Diamonds, what do we got here? Diamonds, we got the high yesterday was 493.40, 493.40. All right, so we're going to be below there as well. We're trading at 491.75, so handily inside day there. Okay, Amazon, big puker down on Amazon. All right, Amazon gapper down 203.59. We're giving it up a lot. Okay, we're coming all the way back down into this range in here. All right, so Amazon trading 203.40 with a gap down. All right, so we'll wait to see how that's going to shake. That's going to be a 3-dayer. All right, so sit tight with Amazon. All right, Molina Healthcare, MOH. MOH, we got 122.50 from 176. This thing's getting murdered. All right, so coming back down to the downside here. All right, on Molina, we'll see what happens with that. All right, so that's a gapper down. We're coming way down, guys. And if you look at it, you can see that it's been a whole host of islands on this thing. All right, so there you go. All right, Molina's been busting around here. We're coming way back down here, so we're breaking below all of this business in here. That would have been 133.40. We're breaking all the way down here. This is a massive breakdown. All right, so we'll see if Molina say just again another one. Wait the 3-day, maybe wait a week on this one. Okay, Molina Healthcare. All right, Stella, STLA, Stella. All right, Stella. I don't watch this one that much. Stellantis coming back down here now today, though. 951 closed at 954. We're trading at 728, moving to the downside. So another one here. All right, gapper down on this guy, and then if we pull it up on the bigger one on the daily, you can get the gist of it here. Last time we were down here, we ain't been down here. 839 is the lowest that I can find so far. All right, so Stella to the downside. Puker. All right, we'll see if anything comes out of that one. That's another one. That's another 3-dayer. All right, so sit tight on that one. Bitcoin's better today, man. Big turnaround on the Bitcoin. Really nice turnaround on the Bitcoin here. Up 3,425. It was higher, though. This thing got down to like 60,000, 61,000. So this was a nice turnaround by the Bitcoin coming back up on the day. All right, so we'll see if anything goes there. Bitcoin's been under pressure, man. It's been under a ton of pressure, and no sign of turning around with that thing for a while either. Under Armour is better this morning. This one's got real tariff problems. I don't see this. I mean, it's better here. Trading at 640, closed at 641. We're not even taking day up, but Under Armour seems to be getting a little bit better. Again, I think a lot of tariff issues there. So Under Armour, be careful with that one. Nothing to really go after here. Reddit is the nice move today. All right, Reddit had good numbers, and it is showing, boy. All right, Reddit closed at 150, 105. All right, so she's still stuck inside a 2-day pattern. So don't get too crazy about it. But if it gets through here, then you got to go after this guy, all right, 178. So still stuck in a 3-day pattern that I don't see you getting out of there. But in its own right, nice move up there today, all right? Roblox, finally Roblox pays me. All right, so Roblox finally coming back up a little bit here. It's starting to drop already. It was higher here. It got up to 71 on the overnight on Roblox, but then 2 back down. All right, so they're coming back inside here. They were puking it all day Friday, yesterday, coming into earnings. All right, so a little bump here this morning on Roblox. You're not taking day up by any stretch of the imagination. You are. Oh, actually, you are. $65 right now. Like I said, was higher at 71. So looks to take the day up on Roblox. All right. So see if maybe Roblox can give us more. It did get up to 71. Keep an eye on that. That one would be all right. Fortinet. Fortinet is another one. The cybers, they fell apart. They've been chopping. And you're getting a move here. You're getting a move up this morning now. 81.32, guys, 81.32. That's going to take day up, but you're still stuck inside. Oh, no, you're taking all this business out as well. All right, so Fortinet, 80.53. I'm seeing 81.32 here, and I even seen higher than that. Looking at what I got right now, though, 81.64. All right, so if you want to triangle out, you're going to have to take it all the way back up to here, folks, 81.77. All right, we'll see. That's a big move here for Fortinet. That's a nice move, all right? So Gapper up on Fortinet. Fortinet moving pretty good there, okay? HIMS, H-I-M-S, goes limp on the overnight, 22.04. But here's your 30-minute. Okay, this is your 15, your 30, your hour, and your daily. I'm playing small ball today. All right. So HIMS to get out 27.86. We're not going anywhere near that. All right. We're taking down yesterday's lows were 22.95. We're trading currently at 21.97. So we're about $1 lower on HIMS. See if HIMS can get it back up going there if it can. All right. Molina, I think I talked about Molina Healthcare. That one's a big hit to the downside. And then we'll go to the futures again real quick here. That's pretty much all the movers that I got. Under Armour, Stella. I think I talked about Stella, right? STLA. So this is kind of the big ones that we're watching this morning on our morning movers. All right, so we'll see. All right, so diamonds, we're stuck inside, guys. Are we going to get this dead cat bounce, or are we going to try to find some footings that we can put in to move forward? Again, coming in Friday, we did not get our unemployment numbers today. We're going to get them on Wednesday because of the partial shutdown of the government, so we still got that. Amazon's the big story of the day. Big move to the downside. We'll see how Walmart and Costco, and I'm watching all those. I'm watching Target. I'm watching Costco. I'm watching Walmart. And I'm watching TJ Maxx. I like to watch TJ Maxx as well. So big move to the downside on Amazon. I think that's really the big story of the day here. All right, and we'll wait and see if anything shakes out from that. All right, and we'll take a look at the SPY again here, SPY. All right, still going to be stuck here. All right, yesterday's highs right here, 683.69. Trading at 68. So we're going to be fighting inside these 60s from yesterday at 681.56. All right, so we're going to be taking on this guy right here to start the day with the opening. All right, 682.69 to get out of there. That looks like it's going to be tough as it is. The next step up would be there, and that would be getting back up to 683.77. All right, and then we'll look at the diamonds. That's how I usually look at it. I'll say how am I facing? What am I coming into here? All right, so we'll see where we're at right here now. All right, 491.80. So we're up in here right now, 491.80. Is that right? Yeah, 491.82. All right, so we're coming right up into this area in here. We got to get through here, and then the next step would be there at 493.46. That's going to be tough, I think. Mag 7, all better across the board here, except for Apple. Apple's down a little bit, and it's just down a tad. Microsoft's up about $5, but big deal. The thing got murdered. All right. Nvidia is better this morning, trading up at 177 right now. We closed at 171. We're up about $6 here on Nvidia to the upside. And again, it's either the dead cat bounce or maybe we turn things around. I don't think we turned things around yet, but we'll see. Let's see what they do. I think you got, like, again, I'm going to leave it with this. There's probably a lot of people that have been waiting to sell stuff. So you're going to get this gap up, and you're probably going to see some people going to say, okay, you know what? This market's not been great. We finally got an opportunity to get maybe out of some stocks that have been lagging. All right, and then you wait and see what happens. But Amazon is the big play of the day, down $17. Amazon down to $202. All right, we'll see what happens with Amazon. And I'm watching Walmart because Walmart's a little bit higher, and I'm watching Costco and I'm watching Target that are both a little higher here. All right, so wait, and that Under Armour, don't touch that thing, it's garbage. All right, so on that note, I'm going to leave it there. All right, look at that, 11 minutes, pretty damn good. All right, everybody, I'll see you at lunchtime. Be good.